Chapter 1. Already we have completed logarithm concept. One more concept today I want to explain. The topic is irrational proofs. Now, before telling irrational proofs, I want to tell three definitions. The three definitions are rational numbers, irrational numbers, and real numbers. Now listen, don't write, all of you listen. All of you see, Nana? Now see, what is this one? Picture. How many pictures are there? You must say 1. Now how many pictures are there? 1, 2. That means you are counting. Now here how many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3. Here how many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So on. That means you are counting the pictures and writing. Counting and writing the numbers are called as specially called as natural numbers. In natural number, the first letter is n. That's why it is referred as n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Now listen, Nana, see my hand and tell how many pictures are there here. How many pictures are there? Nothing. Nothing means in mathematics we call as 0. Now count this one. How many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So along with the natural number, one more number is added. What is that number? 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are called as a special name whole numbers. In whole numbers, what the first letter is there? W. That's why it is represented by W. Now listen, all are positive numbers and 0. What I am writing? Negative numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So on. What I am writing? Negative numbers, positive numbers, including 0 are called as integers. That is represented by Z or I. Already you know all these concepts. Now listen. 1, how to write in another way? 1 by 1. 2, how to write? 4 by 3, how to write? 4, how to write? Listen. 1, how to write? 1 by 1. 2, how to write in another way? 4 by 3. 3, how to write? 9 by 3. 4, how to write? All the numbers are in the form of, here it is called as P, it is called as Q. P, Q. Numbers which are in the form of P by Q. 1, 2, 3. Not only 1. How to write minus 1? Minus 1 by 1. How to write minus 2? Minus 4 by minus 2. So negative numbers, positive numbers are called what you told? Integers. That's why P by Q, P comma Q are called or what? Integers. This symbol is called belongs Z, where Q not equal to 0 are called as rational numbers. It is represented by letter Q. So one more thing, listen all of you. Root 4, what is the answer? 2. Root 9, what is the answer? 3. Root 25, what is the answer? 5. Root 16, what is the answer? 4. So all are called as what? Integers. So here root 2, what is the answer? We can't say orally, but it is called as 1.414, so on like this. Like this, root 3 is equal to 1.732, so on. So the numbers which are in the form of root 2, root 3, root 5 are called as what? Irrational numbers. Don't write them, listen, irrational numbers. It is represented by letter Q dash or S. Do you understand or not? Counting, don't write, all of you listen. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Along with counting numbers, 0 will be added called as whole numbers. Positive numbers, negative numbers including 0 is called integers. Numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q are integers, Q not equal to 0 are called as rational numbers. Numbers which can't written as irrational P by Q form are called as what? Irrational. Listen all of you. What I told, this is one rational numbers. In rational numbers, what is there? Z. In Z, what is there? W. In W, what are there? N. All natural numbers belongs to W. All whole numbers belongs to Z. All Z belongs to Q. That's why we can written as N is subset of W. It can be read as SQB, SCT. It will tell second chapter subsets. W is subset of Z. Z is subset of Q. So in Q, natural numbers are there, whole numbers are there, integers are there. So overall we are taking rational numbers. This is called read as union. Union means combination. And irrational numbers, what I have told, Q dash. Or how to write Q union S, are called as real numbers. So union of rational and irrational together called as what? Real numbers. Do you understand or not? Now all of you note down first one, rational number. Write down this definition. Rational numbers. What I told rational numbers? Rational numbers, what is the model amma? P by Q. Numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to Z, Q not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. Rational numbers. Do you understand or not? Now listen. One more. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Numbers which cannot written as P by Q, which we can't write in the form of P by Q, are called irrational numbers. Now this is irrational number definition. This is the rational number definition. Last one is what? Real numbers. Which one we are combining? Rational and irrational. That means union means combination of rational and irrational. Irrational are called real numbers. You must write down real numbers. Do you once again listen? So second topic is irrational proofs. Before explanation irrational proofs, I want to tell three definitions. One is rational numbers, second one is irrational number, and third one is real numbers. Rational numbers, numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to Z, Z means integers, Q not equal to 0 are called as rational numbers. Numbers which can't written as P by Q form are called as irrational numbers. Real numbers, union of rational and irrational together called as real numbers, and it is represented by what letter? This one you must note down. Q union, I will once again I will write, listen carefully. It can be written as R is equal to Q union dash or Q union S. Real number is the combination of rational and irrational. Rational and irrational, represented as Q dash or S. Read as Q dash. Do you understand or not? Now I will tell how to draw Venn diagram. I will tell diagram, relation of real numbers. How to represent real numbers. Draw a closed box. This will be explained in second chapter, but you can draw now. First one, what you wrote, natural numbers. Then after what you wrote, whole numbers. Then after what you wrote, integers. Then after what you wrote, rational numbers. And one more numbers I told. What are the numbers? Irrational numbers. This is Q. This is what? Q dash. Will become union. Will become what? Real numbers. So Rational numbers, irrational number, union called as real number. This is called as Venn representation of real numbers. Later we will explain in second chapter. Note down all these points.